Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook authentication failed. If Outlook is showing an authentication error, one of the most common causes is outdated browser data, such as cached files or cookies. Clearing that data can often remove old sign-in information and allow Outlook to load a fresh login session. In this walkthrough, we'll use a web browser like Chrome, but the general process is similar in most modern browsers. To begin, open your browser. You can use Chrome or another browser you normally use to access Outlook on the web. Once the browser is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see the three-dot menu icon. This is where many of the browser's settings and tools are located. Click the three dots to open the menu. A list of options will appear. From there, choose Settings. This will take you to the main browser settings page, where you can manage things like privacy, save data, and browsing behavior. Inside Settings, find and click Privacy and Security. This section controls how your browser stores and handles website data. Since Outlook sign-in issues can sometimes happen when old cookies or cached files conflict with current account credentials. This is the area we need. Next, click Delete Browsing Data. This opens the browser's cleanup window where you can choose what information to remove. You'll usually see options for things like browsing history, cookies, cached images, and files. In many cases, cookies and cached data are the most relevant items when fixing login problems because they directly affect saved sessions and authentication tokens. Now select a date range. Choose the range that best fits your situation. If the issue started recently, a shorter range may be enough. If the problem has been happening for a while, selecting a broader range can be more effective. Just keep in mind that clearing certain data may sign you out of some websites, so be prepared to log back in where needed. After selecting the date range, click Delete. Give the browser a moment to finish clearing the data. Once that's done, return to Outlook and sign in again to your account. This fresh login often resolves the authentication failed message by forcing the browser to create a new session with updated credentials. If the issue continues after this, make sure you're using the correct account details and that the browser is fully updated. But in many cases, clearing browsing data is enough to solve the problem quickly and safely.